Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back with another wonderful video. Excuse the noise in the background, you guys. I'm doing laundry, so you may hear the washing machine going. But let me just introduce to you these powerful ingredients that you're going to be using for this wonderful smoothie. And this is easy. And of course, you know this is for weight loss. So we're working on getting that gook up out of our bellies. Alright? So what we have here today is we're going to be using some baking soda. Okay, some baking soda. You're also going to be needing 5 dates. Okay, these are dried dates. So I'm just going to put them in a little bowl, and I'm going to add this water next. You're also going to need a half a cup of water. So what we're going to do is just let our dates soak. Now if you have regular dates that are not dried, you can skip this part right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow these dates to soak for at least a half an hour, and then I'll be back with our dates. Just leave that on the side for now. Next, you're going to need a grapefruit, okay, a lime, as well as a cucumber. So let's continue right now. So what I'm going to start off doing is to peel my grapefruit. Okay, so you just de-skin your grapefruit. If you have grapefruit juice, that'll work as well. You can use grapefruit juice. Probably a half a cup of grapefruit juice if you have the regular grapefruit juice. But if not, this is good too. Just going to take that and pop that into our blender cup because you're going to be using a blender. Okay, next we're going to de-skin. I'm going to de-skin my cucumber. Now, if your cucumber is organic, you don't have to worry about this part. Alright, but this is not an organic cucumber, and this is what I do. But the best thing to do is to buy organic fruits and vegetables, and this way you won't have to de-skin this. You just wash it off because it doesn't have any pesticides on it. So, being that this has that waxy stuff on it, of course you know I de-skin my cucumbers. After de-skinning your cucumbers, just chop that up into pieces. Now I'm going to be using my personal blender, so hopefully this big cucumber will fit. Now the size of your cucumber could be medium, okay? It doesn't have to be as big as that one. But this is huge, and it's going to give me a lot of water. Cucumber is a wonderful vegetable to use because it's mostly made up of water. Now what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to blend this down a little bit because my cucumbers are not going to fit in here if I keep it like this. Alright, so I'm just going to blend this down a little bit and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we got more room in our blender cup to finish it up. Okay, so now we're going to use our lime, and we're going to juice this. Okay. So you're going to take our lime, squeeze out the juices in our blender cup. Okay. And don't throw away your lime skins or your lemon skins when you use it for your smoothies, because you can also use these as facial scrubs, also as toners after you wash your face. If you have acne problems on your skin, any type of blemishes, you can use your limes or your lemons to rub over your skin after you wash it, just to help to dry up the acne. Alright, as well as the oiliness. If you're an oily girl like me, this is great. Or if you have oily skin like me, this is good for that. Alright, enough of the tips. Now, we're going to take our water and our dates. And we're just going to put that in there as well. And lastly, we're going to need a teaspoon of our baking soda. Okay. And now we're going to blend this up really well. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Now, you're going to need to get your Big Mama or your Big Papa mug out, all right? And what I had to do was I had to change blenders because I needed something more powerful to break down those dates. So I had to transfer everything over to my big full-size NUTRIBULLET blender. I'm telling you, you guys, this blender is definitely worth the price. Look how smooth. Now, those dates were hard. And that's why I say you should soak them. But if you don't have time to really soak it, a half an hour or more, if you can soak them overnight for the dry dates, that's even better. But if you don't have that time, you need a powerful blender. And there we have it. Look at that wonderful drink. Look at this wonderful drink. Now this is tasty. So, like I said, if you need to soak your dates, if they're dried, you need to soak those at least 30 minutes at least. And if not, you're just going to have to get a powerful blender to break them dates down. But soak them overnight if you need to. But if not, get the regular moist dates and you will be able to bypass that step. But this is a wonderful detox smoothie that's going to flush out your stomach. That's going to get stirred up. You got the baking soda in there. That's going to help to regulate your belly and your bowels and get them things going. Okay? So thank you again. Don't forget to drink this every morning on an empty stomach. And you're going to see some serious weight loss in your body. Drink this as a meal replacement if you choose to as well. But like I said, this is a powerful fat burning smoothie and you're gonna see a difference in your belly area. Okay, so thank you again for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thumbs up this video, hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this for these powerful smoothie recipes. Don't forget also to look down below in the description bar for the links for these full-size blenders, for the personal size blenders, for these wonderful metal straws which are reusable and safe for the environment. Alright, plus I have some other wonderful things down there that some of you may not be able to get in your part of the country, but I got links down below so this way you can get it. Alright, and also you guys check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will see hair care, skincare, fashion hauls, and family challenges on that channel. Alright, and until the next video, you guys, don't forget your big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video.